Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Personal growth, it's one of those things we all want, but let's be honest, the idea can feel overwhelming, right? We picture huge life changes, monumental shifts, or intense sacrifices. But what if I told you that the secret to meaningful personal growth isn't about doing something massive? It's about small, consistent habits that build momentum over time. Today, we're diving into 5 small habits, yes, just 5, that can completely transform your mindset, productivity, and overall life over time. These aren't magic tricks or quick fixes. They're practical, research-backed habits you can start today. So, if you're ready to invest in yourself, grab a notebook because you'll want to try these out. Let's grow together. 1. Start with daily gratitude. This might sound cliché, but practicing gratitude daily is a game changer. Research in positive psychology shows that when we take just a few minutes each day to reflect on what we're thankful for, it rewires our brain. It shifts the focus from what's going wrong to what's going right. Start simple. Every morning or night, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Could be as small as your morning coffee or a kind text from a friend. Over time, this habit fosters a more positive mindset, reduces stress, and even improves your relationships. 2. Commit to a 2-minute rule. Productivity isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Enter the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes to do, sending that email, tidying up your desk, or drinking a glass of water, do it immediately. This habit minimizes procrastination and clears small tasks that pile up into overwhelming clutter. Over time, you'll notice how these microactions free up mental energy for bigger goals. 3. Read or learn for 10 minutes a day. Personal growth thrives on learning. But let's face it, reading an entire book or taking a course can feel intimidating with busy schedules. Instead, commit to just 10 minutes a day of reading, listening to an audiobook, or even watching an educational video. Choose topics that inspire or challenge you: mindfulness, creativity, leadership, or a skill you've always wanted to learn. In a year, 10 minutes daily adds up to over 60 hours of learning. Imagine the transformation that can bring. 4. Embrace the power of morning intentions. Before jumping into your to-do list, take a moment to set an intention for the day. Ask yourself, what's one thing I want to accomplish today? How do I want to feel by the end of the day? This small ritual aligns your focus and helps you prioritize what truly matters. It's not about doing everything, but about doing the right things with clarity and purpose. This habit also trains you to approach life proactively rather than reactively. 5. Celebrate small wins. We often wait for big milestones to celebrate ourselves. Getting a promotion, losing a significant amount of weight, or finishing a huge project. But growth happens in the small steps along the way. At the end of each day, reflect on one thing you did well, no matter how small it seems. Maybe you spoke up in a meeting or resisted scrolling social media during work hours. Celebrating these small wins builds confidence, keeps you motivated, and reinforces the idea that progress is progress, no matter the size. So, there you have it, 5 small, impactful habits that can lead to big personal growth. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, these little actions can compound into something extraordinary. Which habit resonates with you the most? Or do you have a small habit that's made a big difference in your life? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Share this with someone who could use a little extra motivation today. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care of yourself, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.